Hi. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you what the Mercalli Scale is. And the Mercalli Scale was developed to rate earthquakes on the amount of destruction at a given place. And there are 12 steps of the Mercalli Scale, and they describe an earthquake's effects.
Go.
Okay, so I'm going to be showing the steps of the Mercalli Scale using Play-Doh to represent it. So the first step is people notice vibrations like those that might be coming from a passing truck or an unstoppable objects that get disturbed. And you can see that the Play-Doh is slightly damaged. Okay, and the second step is slight damage, and there's slight damage and people run outdoors. Okay, and third step is there's moderate to heavy damage and buildings get jolted off foundations or they also get destroyed. And the last step is there is great destruction and cracks appear in the ground everywhere, and there are waves seen on the surface. And also, the same earthquake can have different Mercalli Scale ratings because it will have different ground movements at different locations. Okay, so here's an example of what I just talked about. So, say this house was just hit by an earthquake, and there's some loose shingles coming off the roof, and a couple of the windows are cracked. And then also the flower pot's broken. But then 5 blocks over, this house was also just hit by the earthquake. And the chimney is falling apart, there's cracks all in the house, part of the roof is falling off, and all the windows are cracked. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so that's about all I have to say about the Mercalli Scale. Bye!